Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to make some green beans, long beans, whatever you call them, curry with coconut milk. We're in Sri Lanka doing this. It is absolutely wonderful weather, a wonderful place. Let's go and cook this. Okay, for this one, really quite simple. Onions, garlic and ginger, or just garlic if you wanted, cinnamon, rampa or pandan leaves, curry leaves, mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, chili there. I've got quite a lot of chili for this one. Coconut milk, a little touch of water we're going to add as well. Our long beans, green beans or French beans, whatever you want to try and use. And then spices, salt, pepper, a little bit turmeric, chili powder, unroasted curry powder, and some chili flakes, which are optional. We're going to start this off with some coconut oil, really easy. Okay, let's get started here. So I've got some oil in there, a fair amount of oil actually. And like I say, I'm using coconut oil. You could be using something different if you want. What I want to do is I want to first fry off our beans. And I've kept mine nice and whole and long. You can cut them if you want. So let's just fry these around for about 4 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, set them aside, and then we're going to start with all our spices. Very easy. Okay, so that's like 4 minutes. As you can see, got a nice little bit of colour on them, and what they've done is they've just give themselves a head start. So we're going to take these out, stick them on a plate, then we'll be back. Okay, so there you go. We'll set them aside. Now, we've got oil in there. I've reduced that down just a little bit because there was quite a lot there. Simply, we're going to go in with our onions, the cinnamon, everything on this plate basically. Let's go for it. Onions, mustard seeds, chili, rampa, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, curry leaves. Wonderful stuff. And now we just want to go for like just 2 minutes. We want a fairly lively heat, as you may be able to hear. Keep it moving. And talk about super easy. We've got some wonderful flavours happening here, and we're ready for the next step. What we're going to do is add in our spices. Let's just take a look at those again. So we've got there salt, pepper, a little bit of turmeric, chili powder, optional chili flakes, and then the unroasted curry powder. In that goes. And then we need to keep this moving all the time for a few seconds. We don't want our powders to burn. If they burn, they will get bitter. So a nice little mix in there. We're now going to add in the coconut milk and some water. A little mix there. Now let's grab our beans that we cooked earlier, the green beans. In they go. And we just want to lower the heat now to just above a simmer, and we want that to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, and this really simple dish is ready. Fantastic. Check that for salt. And this is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Off goes the heat. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.